Even before mankind discovered speech, sacred geometry symbols have existed way back in time. Relegated with special sacred properties, these sacred geometry symbols have been around mankind for a very long time. Some hidden from public view, only available to priests of high societies and secret societies. Some available to all. They have appeared in the public domain or the mainstream at crucial times in human history. Whenever collective human consciousness has risen in its overall consciousness, sacred geometry symbols have been a part of that mainstream. These sacred geometry symbols are nothing but access points or the bridge that links the physical to the metaphysical, the physical to the non-physical. They are like keys to open pathways or portals or capabilities inside. There are tools. These are tools that help you access the metaphysical, help you manifest, help you open your third eye, so you are able to access information and knowledge from the other realms. After my accidental encounter with a prominent symbol called the Flower of Life in 2012, my life completely changed. My core beliefs, my perceptions, my awareness, levels of awareness, new skills started to emerge from within. And I seem to suddenly have the access to what is called as the sixth sense, or access to the psychic realms. I have lived among symbols, explored with, experimented, played, painted, and practically lived with symbols, sacred geometry symbols, ever since my awakening. And I bring to you all my experiences, all the information gathered, all the steps that help you connect, link, and use these tools to enhance your consciousness so that you become a magnificent version, a fully realized version of who you are, a multidimensional spiritual being.